Okay, from Castillos de San Marcos, St. Augustine, Florida. Pretty cool place. We made it here by way of our notary business that paid us for 2 quick jobs that financed the whole thing and everything else we want to do while we're here, right? So, and then some. So this is a reality of our business that can be a reality of anybody's business. What is the difference between us and people who aren't here yet, Grace?
Yeah, getting here is what we teach you, is what we always aim to see your business go for. But, you have 2 schools of thought. You have somebody who just wants to run a side hustle, which is fine. If you just want to make a little extra cash, we know people that do that. But running your business and treating it as a business is where we're at.
Right, they're 2 different things. So I think in this space, because there's a lot of hype, and there's some characters out there that just say you can just make this money by default, right? By default of being a notary. Absolutely not the case. You can side hustle and you can stay there in that side hustle if your mindset is to let the work come to you. But as a notary entrepreneur, you're looking to enhance your skills. You're looking at you have solid marketing plans that you actively put into place that work and do work. And then you have a business, and that business generates revenue consistently, day in, day out. And
you're investing in yourself and your business. That can be supplies, that can be further education, that could be just knowledge on things that you don't know, so you can add, as to what you offer.
Right. The reality is that what she just said, that's the definitive, that's the defining point right there. Is if you aren't willing to invest into what's in between your ears, then you aren't in business for yourself. You're going to struggle. You're going to be Frankensteining stuff together and wondering why it doesn't work. Where the true entrepreneur goes out and finds the people who have the information, learns from them, and then implements that. Yeah. And then, of course, they themselves have duplicated that, to a T. So
it's not reinventing the wheel. You're just taking our knowledge or whoever's knowledge and applying it to your business.
Right. I often see, especially in Facebook groups, notaries that kind of want to El Cheapo their way. And the reality is that's not how business does. That's not how any other business operates. Any other business to say that I want to do cheap, free, don't want to spend on advertising, don't want to learn advertising, not going to pay for CRM, or don't even know what a CRM is. That doesn't happen in other spaces. They absolutely understand this process. They absolutely jump in full steam ahead, and it's more of a mindset of what do I have to take, what do I have to learn, what do I have to spend to get there, because I'm in the mindset of investing into my business so that I can have the sustained and growing revenue streams. And it applies the same to the notary space. That's what we're here to, that's our message. It's not, we're not preaching easy wins, but we are preaching that there is in fact very good money that can be made with no college degree, not a lot of work involved, really. I mean, once you get these systems in place, it kind of becomes self-sustaining.
So first of all, decide if you are running a side hustle or if you're going to go all in and run a full business. Like Mark and I do, we'd love to help you in any capacity. We have courses for the whole array of what you want to do with your notary business.
At every budget level and at every goal, at every goalpost.
So we'd love to help you out, guys. God bless.
All right.